Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an independent cinema website using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go to the product section, and here on add product we're going to start filling all of the blanks with our product's information. For example, I'm going to start with my short film production. We're going to copy our title, and here on the description on generate text, we are going to paste it and click on generate. This way, Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us, and here we can choose either to generate a description again or just click on keep to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to select an image to be for our product. Below it, we're going to have the category section. Here, Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But in case it isn't, we can click over here to change it if we so wanted. On the right, we're going to have different sections such as the product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. Here, for collections, make sure you add your product to your home page, and for tags, you can put whichever one you like. For example, I'm going to put independent cinema. Now next we're going to have the pricing section. Here we are going to choose a price for our product. For example, let's say that we're going to charge around 60,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 40,000, which is going to leave us with a 20,000 pesos profit at a 33.3% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a shipping section in which we can assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Lastly, when we are done, we are going to click on save, and we would have our first product once it's done uploading, ready as you can see for our online store. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add a product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So once we have all of our products ready, as you can see here, I have added a found footage film, a direction and management, and a camera work products. So next we're going to go to our online store, and we're going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be its theme. And if we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us a bunch of different free themes. And if we go to if we click over here to visit the Shopify theme store, we're going to be redirected to, well, the Shopify theme store, where we are going to be able to see a bunch of different themes, some of which may better suit our website. But for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to start customizing our online store. You can see that if I click over here, this section is going to be outlined by these blue lines, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our sections. For example, this is our image banner, so we're going to click here to select an image to be our banner. We're going to select this one, and once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the image right over here is going to change. Next, we're going to go to our heading, and we're going to change this the text. For example, we're going to put welcome to my independent cinema website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our online store. What we're going to do is we're going to click here on template on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options such as featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and once we have this new section selected, over here on the right we're going to choose a new product to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to choose my found footage film, and as you can see here, the product is going to be displayed on our new section. Now let's say that we want to change things up. For example, we're going to change the section to a nice dark theme to match the vibe, and as you can see, it's going to change the background of our section. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to add a featured collection, and we want to delete it. what we're going to do is we're going to select the section we want to delete, and here in the remove section button, once we click it, as you can see, this section is going to be removed. Now we can also add sections to our footer. For example, here we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here if we click on add section, we're going to be able to add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, and here on the home page of Shopify we're going to go to we're going to go to name your store, and here name store. Here we're going to be able to change our store's names. For example, I'm just going to put cinema, and we're going to save. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we are going to go back to our online store, but now instead we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here on our header, the name of our store has already changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done, we are going to go back over here. And next, we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now, this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.